Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Microsoft Rewards, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register for Microsoft Rewards, start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the official Microsoft Rewards website. If you already have a Microsoft account, click on Sign In. Enter your email address and password associated with your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, click on Join Now to create a new one. Fill out the required information to set up your new account. Verify your email address by following the link sent to your inbox. Once your account is created, return to the Microsoft Rewards website. Sign in using your newly created Microsoft account credentials. After signing in, you will be greeted with an overview of the Microsoft Rewards program. Take a moment to review the terms and conditions. Click on the Join button to officially enroll in the program. You may need to complete a short questionnaire to tailor your experience. Once completed, you will see your dashboard displaying your points and available offers. Explore the rewards categories to see what you can earn. Regularly check back for new earning opportunities and special promotions. Participate in daily activities to maximize your point accumulation. Complete quizzes, surveys, and shopping activities to boost your rewards. Monitor your points balance and redeem rewards when you reach the required thresholds. Stay active in the program to continue enjoying benefits and exclusive offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.